Hey everyone, this is Jamela back again with another episode of Living the Lifestyle of the Thrift and Famous. And if you're new here, thank you again for tuning in and welcome to my channel. And I hope you stay around and click that subscribe button and welcome to the family. Well, I got some things at an estate sale, the Pieces of Time estate sale that my sister had. And I always shop for stuff at her sale. And I've got some goodies, even though I keep saying I don't need any more stuff, but I can't help it because some of this stuff is just so nice and so good. I just can't pass it up. So I'm going to show you the things that I scored at her estate sale. Okay? Now, be ready to ooh and ah with me. First up is these nice wooden napkin rings. Now, believe it or not, I like how these are strung like this with a ribbon. However, I'm going to use, I got a long rope and I'm going to use that as, something to dangle, maybe on a doorknob or something like that. But these are really cute, right? The next thing I found was this expandable file folder. It actually looks like a little suitcase. I like it, and I like the marble look. But it was perfect because we needed it for our files for the our properties. And this is expandable. It's going to give me enough room for what I have because the papers that I have, because right now the one I'm using is bursting at the seams. So I was very, very glad to score this, at the sale. It's a needed item. So, and it was only $2. So yay on this one. So I'm very happy to have this. The next thing I found was this shoe bag. Now this shoe bag holds a whole lot more than what I already have, and it's going to come in handy. So I was very happy to find this. So I don't just shop for home decor pieces. I shop for home items that I need in my home. And this bag here was only $2. So I was very, very happy to have this. Even though it's not decor, but it is helpful. So estate sales are so important to shop for things that you just need on a regular basis or whatever at home, not just for decor pieces. And the next thing I bought was this Art Deco clock. It's really cute. I love Art Deco. That's one of my favorite eras. And it's a little cheap clock, but it's nice to sit on a mantle or dresser. And it has this little compartment here where you can put in little trinkets or spare batteries for it because it is battery operated. It's plastic, but it's from like the 90s when it was remaking the Art Deco stuff. And this clock was only $10. So not bad. I didn't break the bank on this either. So I'm kind of happy to have that piece right there. So, now, what I don't need, I did buy were glasses. These glasses right here. It's a set of 6. And I really like the way they look, but I can't pass up a good glass. Well, I try to pass it up, but when I saw these and the price was just great on them, I said, well, I can get them and use them for my everyday. Because right now I've been using my leopard ones, and I don't like using those all the time because for fear of breaking. But these are cute. So let me, they got a nice smooth feel. Let me show you up close. See how they kind of look? Of course, they got to get clean. I'm going to put them in the dishwasher, give them a little bleach cleaning, and then stick them in the dishwasher, and they'll be nice, sterilized, and clean. But yeah, I did like these glasses, and it's a set of 6 of them. And next up is a real goodie. Ugh, this planter. Can I just say I love it? Look at the color on the glaze, the green, the blue, the tan, the pink. This was a beautiful, beautiful planter that immediately when I saw it on the pictures, I said, I have to have this. So, and this was $30. And by the way, the glasses were only $4 for the set of 6. So, you just can't pass that up. You can't do better than a dollar store for good glasses. So anyway, but yeah, so this planter, I'm going to show it to you so you can see the glaze on it. And then it had this little, see this little, what do you call these things? Fleur de lis or something like that. But I love that pattern on there. And it has a footed bottom, which is great. But this planter looks like a little crown, right? Yeah, don't you see? It seemed like this little is like a crown. So I really, really like this. So I can't wait to find the perfect plant to go inside this here. So you can see the kind of glaze, the colors, that brown, the green, the pink, the mauve, how it all just blends in together. Very nice. Very, very nice piece. Now, are you ready for this? Because listen, look at this. Not one, but 2 brass giraffes. Let's scream, yay! So anyway, look at these beauties. I can't even believe I scored these at her sale. So yeah, these are definitely happy, happy scores that I got at the sale. Now, we are going to fight over it because I want one and she wants one. So, but in the meantime, they stay in here until she moves down here. But yes, I can't wait to find a place to put these giraffes. I mean, they're so big and they're perfect. They're perfect. Love, love, love these. So yeah, I really like, really. Can we get an ooh on this? Look how they can be styled all kind of ways. You can do it this way. You can style it that way. You can style it like this, like all kind of things. Or you can separate them. But yes, these are some beautiful babies that were scored at the Pieces of Time estate sale. And last but not least, oh my gosh, this is heavy too. Look at this. Hand carved in Tanzania. This beautiful African bust. Look at the details on this. I mean, it was carved out of a tree. You could still see the tree. This is kind of, chippy or whatever. So I got to be careful with that. But look at this piece. Yeah, I got to find the right spot for this, but I was, again, as soon as I saw it on the site, I just had to snag that up. And yes, this was $65. The drafts were $60, which is not bad at all. And this here was $65. Now, look how beautiful this bust is. It is heavy too. Uh, Gosh, but again, I'm so happy to have this. So anyway, that is my final ooh ah. Now keep in mind the dust is free, as we say in the business. But anyway, I just wanted to show you the up close of it, the details. So yeah, it's supposed to be like the hairline is cornbraid, and the carvings of whoever did this spared no expense of making it very graphic and detailed. I like how the wood here is still showing the natural wood. It gives it more character. The necklace is nicely carved around her neck. But yeah, it all keeps the wood looking, you can show how it was just carved out of it. Beautiful, beautifully done, well crafted piece. And I just can't wait to clean it up. I'm going to polish it and put some beeswax oil on it, try to get into the grooves and get all the dust out and just shine it up really good and polish it. But wherever I put it, it's going to make a statement on its own because it is a beautiful, beautifully hand carved piece. So you see how shopping estate sales could really benefit you and save you quite a bit of money. Not to mention, you won't find this everywhere. So that's why I like the kind of exclusivity that you find at estate sales of the things that's offered. And I can't reiterate enough how, estate sale shopping and thrift store or Facebook marketplace, these venues of shopping also keeps the money within the community and not to mention saves you some money. Big box store shopping or retail shopping is just not the only way to go anymore. So just keep that in mind. And not to mention, I do have one other thing that made the ride back. This little kitten here in the car. Well, it's not for me, but it is for my granddaughter. And again, found at the estate sale. Now, these were old vintage dolls that you remember they stand tall. So, yeah, she's made her way around the house. I had to kind of give her a little stylish look or whatever in the house, stand her up on her feet. And she enjoyed the ride coming back, but she's getting ready to go to my granddaughter's. Yeah, I told my husband, don't be getting frisky in the car with her. I had to have some fun, right? But anyway, thank you again for tuning in for another episode of Living the Lifestyle of the Thrift and Famous. And I hope you enjoyed this video and my shopping at the Pieces of Time estate sale, because finding things for your home is very important, and we want to save money because remember, beauty is being home and loving it. And tell me, did you like the items that I found? Weren't they winners? So anyway, drop me a comment. Don't forget to like and share, and I'll see you again in my next video. Bye.